Welcome to another video on how to update your Temu account information. I'm Akin from Create, Login and Delete, and let's get started. So for that, first go ahead and open up your Temu application on your device and log into your account if you haven't logged in yet. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile from the very bottom and now click on your username at the top right corner right here. And here you'll be able to find all your personal details. Here you can go through each option and update your information. So if you want to add your name, simply tap on name and add your name. If you want to update your bio, then click on bio and just type down the bio that you like and click on the save option. You could also put on your gender if you like. And if you want to upload a profile photo, then select the photo option and now choose whether you want to upload from the library or take a new photo. If you want to choose from your library, then select choose from library option and select a media from your gallery. In the same way, you could also update your address. For that, go back to your profile page and select this address option right here and click on add new address button. And from here, you can update your location as well. So this way you can update your informations on your Temu account. I really hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.